Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen appliance that promises to make your cooking experience easier and healthier, the CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer? As the name suggests, it's a compact digital air fryer designed for those who want to fry their favorite foods without the guilt of excess oil. With a sleek design and a square basket maximizing its 2-quart capacity, this little powerhouse fits perfectly into any kitchen, whether it be on your countertop or tucked away in a cabinet. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, this air fryer boasts a capacitive touchscreen display that allows you to customize your cooking time and temperature, with the ability to reach up to a maximum of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can cook your meals up to 3 times faster than using a traditional oven, which is a huge time saver for busy individuals or families. One of the most significant benefits of using the CHEFMAN Mini Air Fryer is its focus on healthy cooking. It uses little to no oil to create delicious meals, which means you can say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy dishes and hello to meals that are not just tasty, but good for you too. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who are health conscious or looking to reduce their fat intake. But who is this air fryer really suitable for? Given its compact size, it's perfect for individuals or small families, think meals for 1 or 2. It's an excellent solution for students in dorms, busy professionals, or anyone living in a small apartment. If you're short on kitchen space or just want to minimize clutter, this air fryer is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work. You can quickly toss some chicken wings or vegetables into the air fryer, set the timer, and relax while it cooks for you. The convenience doesn't stop there. Halfway through the cooking process, the CHEFMAN Mini Air Fryer will provide a shake reminder, alerting you to shake the basket for the crispiest results possible. It's like having a personal sous chef right in your kitchen. Another great feature is the simple cleanup process. The non-stick 2-quart basket and rack are both dishwasher safe, so when you're done enjoying your meal, you can toss them in the dishwasher and forget about scrubbing pots and pans. This feature is a huge plus for anyone who values an easy cleanup. Safety is also a key consideration with this air fryer. The automatic shutoff technology ensures that the fryer turns off once cooking is complete or if the basket is removed. This feature adds an extra layer of peace of mind, especially for those who might be multitasking in the kitchen. In summary, the CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer is a versatile, space-saving appliance that makes healthy cooking fast and easy. With its digital controls, shake notifications, and effortless cleanup, it's a great addition for anyone looking to enjoy delicious meals without the hassle.